Date to mark on those calendars, that is April 15th. That is that filing deadline for most taxpayers. Now, some good news here. You could save on taxes this year because the IRS did adjust several of its provisions in 2023 for inflation. Now, among those adjustments, increasing its tax brackets by about 7% to help people avoid what's called bracket creep. And that's when people get pushed into a higher tax bracket because of inflation without any real change to their earnings. And those adjustments mean people could see a smaller tax bill or a larger refund. And something else to look out for, an increase in standard deductions.
Just remember that in 2017, under the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, the standard deduction was raised pretty significantly. So after 2025, you are going to have to start thinking about itemizing, whereas now you can still take advantage of the higher standard deduction. You don't have to go through a bunch of itemizing. So just be sure that you're taking that standard increased deduction on your tax returns. And then with regard to the changes in the tax brackets, right, as we discussed, it's all about, as you say, Angelo, if you make X amount of dollars, you get pushed into a new tax bracket. The IRS is now changing those thresholds. So even if you're making more money, you might not still get pushed into that next tax bracket because they're making inflation adjustments to it.
And people should also pay attention to which tax credits you can claim, like the Earned Income Tax Credit and also the Child Tax Credit. And new this year, tax credits for owners of electric cars. And also new this year, eligible taxpayers will be able to file their returns directly online with the IRS through an electronic direct file pilot. The IRS says it will be rolled out in phases and is expected to be widely available in March. Tim, Erica, I will send things back to you.